Here's how to check if your internet speed is limited by Wi-Fi or modem. So the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and install the speed test internet and Wi-Fi test, or if you don't want, you can just go to www.speedtest.net. Now, make sure that your device is connected to the network or Wi-Fi connection that you have. On the speed test application or website, you can also troubleshoot your Wi-Fi if you want to. Now, click on the Go options for you to be able to check the internet speed that you have. Is it slowing down by the Wi-Fi or modem? As you can see on the speed test, it is actually under 129 up to 134 speed. This means that your modem or Wi-Fi is not slowing down your internet speed because it is working very well and the speed is actually enough for you to be able to use applications that needs internet. So that is how you check your internet usage as well as speed.